welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. So as you already know from the title of this video, I am doing a Forever 21 spring try-on haul today. I'm excited for this haul because I purchased all of these things online over a month ago and have only tried on one thing from this order. The rest has been sitting in my closet because I've been saving it to film this video, and let's be honest, I haven't been wearing much except loungewear clothes because of social distancing. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video. Alrighty, so the first couple of things that I purchased were tank tops. And I was in need of some new tank tops, especially for the spring and summer seasons. And I just got a basic white one. This one was only $2. And then the second one that I got is a beautiful pink rose color, also purchased for $2. Now when I did my order for these purchases, it was Pi Day, and they were having a Pi Day sale, so I got this for $2 as well, and I just love the beautiful dusty rose color. I've gotten Forever 21 tank tops before, and you can either wear these alone or you can put them underneath some of your other clothing pieces. I do that sometimes with some white shirts that might be a little bit too sheer. I usually will pair it with another white tank top underneath it, but I just love Forever 21's quality of tank tops, and they're cheap. I only got these for $2, so let me show you what they look like on. So here is a white tank top, and just like I said earlier, it's nicely fitted. And what I like about the white ones too is it's not even sheer, so you can't even see through. And it just fits so nice and comfortably. Again, it looks perfect with a pair of skinny blue jeans on. And here is that rose pink one. I think this color is stunning. I love it for springtime. And pink is just my favorite color. You can't go wrong with it. Again, the fit is comfortable, and I'm just truly excited to start wearing this for the spring season. The next thing I got was this beautiful striped Henley top for $4.12. I just love the detail of this shirt with the spring yellow color in the stripes, as well as a button detail going down the little neckline. I think it's going to look so cute with skinny jeans or a pair of shorts for the spring and summer months. And the quality feels very nice as well. It's kind of stretchy, but like that fitted stretchy type, kind of like with the tank tops that I was telling you guys about earlier. So I will show you guys what this looks like on. I love this striped top. The quality is very nice, but I will say that it is a little bit of a crop top, so it would probably fit a little better with some high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts. But other than that, this is super cute. And once again, the fit is very nice and comfortable. It's stretchy, but it's like the fitted stretchy type. And I just love it. It's super cute. The next thing I got is a set, and it is this cute tie-dye denim set with a skirt and a matching little crop top to go with it. Both of them were only $4.12. That is a steal deal, and I'm telling you right now, this is going to look so cute for the summer months. But how adorable is this? It's pink and white tie-dye denim, and it's nice quality. It doesn't feel cheaply made or anything like that. Again, only $4.12. So I'm super excited to try this on and see how it looks, but I just can't get over the price. Like, you cannot beat that for $8 for this whole set. That is a steal deal. Alright guys, this is like a cotton candy tie-dye dream come true. This set is so cute. Again, I cannot believe that this whole thing was $8. I'm just blown away by that deal. But the quality is so nice. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Maybe I'll do a little photo shoot in this outfit because it's too cute to just be sitting in my closet. But the quality feels nice. The denim is very nice. If you guys need size references, this is a small, the top and the bottom. But I love this set. What do you guys think? So the next thing that I got that I told you I already tried on was this self-tie Sweetheart BODYCON dress in this beautiful mint color. This was actually my Easter dress. I posed with it on my Instagram for Easter, and I just love this color so much. This is my second favorite color, and it's one of my favorite colors to wear. I get so many compliments whenever I wear this mint color. And again, the quality is very nice. This was only $12 with the sale going on. And here's my favorite little mint dress. It's so precious, perfect for the springtime. I just love this color so much. You could wear it out to a little tea party or a little Starbucks drink, even to church. I just think this dress is so pretty and I love it so much. Again, the quality is very nice and it's flexible. I can move around in it. And I just paired it with a little pink pearl headband. I think that brings out the colors nicely. The next thing I got were these faux leather ankle strap sandals, and these were $6. I was in need of some new sandals this season, and these were so cute. Online when I saw them, they match perfectly with the dress that I'm going to show you next, so it kind of goes hand in hand with that outfit. But again, I couldn't pass up these sandals for just $6, so I knew I had to get them. And I love the quality. Again, they feel nice and sturdy. They don't feel cheaply made, and the color is just beautiful. So I will try these on with the dress. And here's the dress I was telling you about. This is the Floral Smock mini dress, and I think they're going to match perfectly with those sandals. I'm kind of bummed because when I put this purchase in, this is the first thing I actually put in the order. I loved how this dress looked, and I was going to wear it to a concert that I was going to go to at the beginning of April, but sadly that concert has been postponed until I don't know when. So hopefully that concert is still on later in the year, or who knows when, so I can wear this dress because it's so beautiful. I just love the way it looks. I love the flower detailing, and once again the quality feels very nice. I know sometimes with Forever 21 it could be a hit or miss with how the quality feels or if it's too sheer and see-through, but this feels very nice. It's kind of like loose, and I'm going to be able to move around in it easily and dance in it when I go to that concert. So I'm so excited to try this on with the sandals and see how they look. Okay, wow, this is my favorite piece of clothing from this entire haul. This is so beautiful. The fit is very nice, and might I add that the sandals are also a perfect fit. I know sometimes shoes, ordering them in the mail, it can be kind of iffy because you're not sure if it's going to be running too small or too big, but these sandals came out perfectly, and I'll make sure I do like a little pan so you guys can see the sandals as well, how they look on my feet. But I'm obsessed with this dress. It is so pretty and comfortable to move around in. I love it so much. It's nicely fitted up top, but then it's nice and flowy down at the waist, and I just love it so much. So much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite spring clothing piece was from this haul. I'm going to try to link everything down below from today's haul in the description box for you guys if it's still available online. And I actually just put in another order for Forever 21 for some more spring clothing pieces. So if you guys would like to see me do a try-on haul with that order as well, then let me know down in the comments. If you would like to see more trendy videos from me, then make sure you click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!